learn a smart key onto a system, enter the master user code. Press menu. Press yes or tick. Use the scroll buttons until "Do you want to set up users" is displayed. Press yes or tick. Select the user where the smart key is being added to. Press omit. Press no or cross to start the learn process. Power up the smart key by pressing the on button on the smart key for approximately 4 seconds. The acknowledgement tone indicates a smart key has been learnt on. To delete a smart key from a user slot, select the user. Press omit. Press no or cross. Press reset. The smart key has now been deleted.